Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this subtle filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You have different presets here. Okay, so to get this filter on Instagram, what you can do, just slide right until you see browse effects. Tap there. In the search bar, search for subtle. Okay, and the first one. Okay, you will see a preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Likewise. Okay, and that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this subtle filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.